In this video, we will discuss address tag and some more tags. Sometimes we need to display address on the web page, so we can use address tag. So you can write your address in this tag and to be displayed on the web page. So let's see. For address tag, we need to use address.html file, and I will create a basic skeleton for this address tag, and now just we can write our text inside the body. So I will start the tag with address tag, and I will paste some type of address over here and save the file, and now copy the link, and just let's see. You can see that this tag has been displayed as an address. So if I inspect this, the font has been displayed as a block and also italic. So if you want to write this address in the same format as you have pasted over here, so you need to use pre-tag for that. Pre-tag for this, you need to use /, and you can also indent your code. And now just refresh the page. You can see that address has been displayed in this like this. Next tag we have superscript and subscript tag. Superscript can be written like if you want to use x square or y square, or subscript if you want to use some formulas like H2O or H2SO4 or something else. So let's see how does it work. For this we need to create new file, sub and superscript.html. Now create a basic HTML skeleton, sub and super. So we need to write the file, start our paragraph, and we will write our code over here. So first we need to make the text bold to make it visible. So I will write x square plus y square. If I write this, and I will go to our internet browser, and I will see the result of this, we can see that it is considered as a normal text. If I want to make this as a superscript, so what I need to do, I need to make this as a superscript, and what I need to do, I need to write 2 inside that superscript, and also for x square. So now just make it refresh. Now just remove the space between x and y, and now refresh the page. So you can see that these 2 has been made as a superscript, and it is now in the square format. The same goes for subscript. If I have the same thing inside that, so what I need to do, if I have superscript for that, now H2O, and this is the water formula. So if I print this on the page, so it is H2O, mean H2 is not considered as a base. So what I need to do, I need to write subscript 2 as a subscript, and I will copy and paste over here. I will remove the space, and I will write this in as a bold, so it will be displayed more beautifully. So now let's see the result. you can see that 2 is considered as a base because it is a subscript. So do not make yourself confused. And this I will remove the bold. So now you can see that 2 is considered as a base. So you need to put your text inside the subscript or superscript that will make it superscript or subscript. The next tag we have is a small tag. Small tag is nothing but it just make the text smaller than the normal text. So let's see. For this we need to create another file, small.html. So let's create HTML basic skeleton for that and rename the file with small tag, and also write your text over here. I'm going to create one paragraph for that, and I'm going to paste some text over here. So let's see the result first. Now copy the path and paste over here. You can see the result. Now this is our normal paragraph. If you want to show something or some text in a small format, what do you need to do? You need to write small and just enclose that text you want to make smaller than the normal text, and just make the text indent, and also this one. Now let's check the result. You can see that this paragraph text is considered as a normal text, and these text has been considered as a small text. So you can, if you want to use this small tag or a small tag for your to make the text smaller, you can use to make the text a bit different from other texts. The next tag we have is a center tag. Center tag, if I want to make some text inside in center of some pages, so I can display I can make our text inside the page, in center of the page. So let's see how does it work. So for this I need to create another file, and I will make copy of this file, copy and paste the file, and I will rename this as a center.html. So what I need to remove this file, these text, and I want to give another heading for this, h2 heading type 2. So if I want to check the result of this, so I need to copy the path file, and I will paste over here. You can see that this text is a normal text from the displayed or indent from the left. So if I want to make this text into center, what I need to do, I just need to put another tag, means center, and close that tag, and now you can put your text, this whole text, inside the center tag. So let's see the result. So you can see that the text has been moved into the center. So for your indent, to make your text indent to center, you can use this tag. So you can also use for the whole paragraph. So let's start center tag, and also enclose your text or the paragraph inside the center. Inside the center, you just need to indent this file and copy the file. What you need to do, you just need to refresh the file. You can see that your whole text has been indented into center.